Are you ready to learn how to radiate self-confidence and reclaim the love and life you desire? You deserve it. And I can show you how. You are about to break free from the pressures of society that insist that you look and act a certain way. You will stop comparing yourself to others, and you will end this cycle of striving for perfection and people-pleasing behaviors that just lead to burnout, bitchiness, and bad decisions. I'm Michelle Phillips. I call myself equal parts celebrity makeup artist and beauty expert, as well as transformational coach and motivational maven. Over the last 20 years, I've worked with thousands of women, from business leaders, major celebrities, and CEOs, to single moms, students, and teachers. And through my book, The Beauty Blueprint, my speaking tours, and many TV appearances, I've developed a powerful process. Picture yourself feeling completely and utterly free to be yourself. Sit back and take that in for a minute. You know that inner critic who beats you up for not being or looking perfect? Well, she's been dethroned by that self-loving, powerful woman within you who has been waiting to let loose. Yep, that kind of oomph is in you. You may actually find that you begin to like the person you see in the mirror now. You might even go as far as saying you kind of love her. I'm not kidding here. Stick with me because this is where you're headed.
Michelle, it's really good at getting people unstuck.
This was the right approach for me at this time because I needed to step back and look at myself and see why I wasn't moving forward. And that's really been what's helping me to take better steps.
I don't think I have ever taken the time out to dream big like that. It's no holds barred, just whatever you can think of. And if you don't have your destination, how are you going to get there?
I described to Michelle that I really wanted to find myself again. I was holding down my full-time traveling sales career. I went into what I would call robot mode, where I woke up and I did what I had to do, and I went to bed and I did it day after day after day and lost myself. Let's face it, life throws curveballs, and sometimes we just need a little bit of support to get through that hump.
Just go for it. Just try it.
You deserve to experience thriving relationships. You deserve vibrant health. If you're ready to shine and experience the life you truly desire, join me. Join me for this 6-week program where I coach you step by step through the process I used to radically change my own life, as well as transform the lives of hundreds of women just like you and me.
Even if you're not stuck, it'll take you to a different level in your life regardless.